Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The border dash collapse property allows you to have a single border around your table. It does this by ignoring the exterior border properties of the table header and table data elements, while still allowing interior borders for each header and separate data cell. Our on-screen example shows our style tags. And we have our table with a class of 1. So our table styling, table period 1, with the border dash collapse property set to its only value of collapse. And then we have table period 1, the table header and table data elements grouped to have a single border 2 pixels wide, solid, and in the color blue. So the web browser will display a single exterior border with the same interior borders still shown between each cell and header.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.